talaga, no?
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Boracay Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings and ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by Flight and Crew Captain Ncheta and First Officer Estopa, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.